All right, hey everybody, it's Brad Killgore here from Custom Shops Marketing. We're at the Quartzsite RV Show in Arizona. It's been epic so far, and I'm here with my good buddy Keith from Redlands Truck and RV. How's it going, Keith?
Good, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So Keith and I were just talking a little bit about what's been going on with his internet presence, where he was at and where he's at now. So if you just want to jump in, Keith, and share a few ideas.
Yeah, it's been remarkable. We went from having absolutely a non-active website or interactive website to working with Brad and coming up with this working website that allows our customers to really find out what's available for their motorhome just by a couple simple clicks. And man, I couldn't be happier. It's an unbelievable difference. It's led to us having leads and sales here at Quartzsite, about 250 miles away from our home location. So it works, I'm convinced, right. And I think we're very fortunate to have been able to meet Brad and make the changes we did to our system.
That's awesome. Yeah, and pretty much every week people are communicating, they're finding you online, they're filling out your chats and what have you, yep. And new business coming in every week, so yep. That's stellar.
Brad talked me into a podcast and I couldn't be happier. Actually found out a couple things about my business through it, and I'm just looking forward to a great 2024.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Keith. We'll have a great week at Quartzsite.
Thanks, man.
Thanks.